Let's talk about immigration. In the past 2 years, Canada's population has grown at a record's pace. But with this rapid growth, some taken advantage of the system, including fake colleges and big chain corporations, have been misusing our immigration system for their own interests. To address this, the government is making big changes. Over the next 3 years, Canada will be reducing the number of new immigrants, setting clear targets for both permanent and temporary residents. Immigration Levels Plan 2025 includes 395,000 new permanent residents, 305,900 new international students, and 367,750 new temporary workers. With the current immigration changes, we'll be discussing the fastest and easiest ways to move to Canada in 2025.
Dreaming of moving to Canada? Are you wondering which pathway is right for you? In this video, I'll break down the 4 fastest and easiest ways to immigrate to Canada in 2025. Whether you're a skilled worker, have family in Canada, or want to study and work your way to permanent residence. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Christine in Canada. I make videos about Canadian immigration to help you move here successfully. If you're serious about immigrating, subscribe so you never miss an update. Just a quick disclaimer. I am not an immigration consultant, but as an immigrant myself, I've done my research and believe the information I'm sharing will help those dreaming of coming to Canada. Before we get started, keep in mind that the official source for all immigration information is the Government of Canada's website, or canada.ca. Always refer to this site for accurate and updated details. In addition to using the official website, always verify that your representative is authorized when planning to move to Canada. Now, let's get started. Pathway number 1. Express entry is best for skilled workers. If you are a skilled worker with work experience, a degree, and good English or French skills, this is the fastest way to become a permanent resident. Express Entry is an online system used by the Canadian government to manage applications for permanent residency from skilled workers. It aims to fill labor market gaps and support Canada's economy. You can apply from inside or outside Canada. Skilled workers under Express Entry fall into 3 main categories. Federal Skilled Worker Program is designed for professionals with foreign work experience in sectors like healthcare, IT, engineering, education, and finance. Federal Skilled Trades Program is designed for individuals with expertise in trades like construction, plumbing, electrical work, and welding. Canadian Experience Class is suited for those who have at least 1 year of skilled work experience in Canada, making it a great option for temporary workers and international graduates. How does it work? You create an Express Entry profile. You get a CRS score based on factors like age, education, and experience. If you have a high score, you'll receive an invitation to apply, or ITA. After submitting your PR application, it could be approved in 6 months. I will give you some bonus tips. First, secure a job offer or aim for a high CRS score. This increases your chances by up to 200 points. Second, improve your French. Boost your CRS score by up to 50 points. Third, include your spouse's details. This can add up to 40 points to your CR score. Fourth, ace the language test. Mark out your score in IELTS as 9 and SELPIP as 12, both contributing up to 136 points to your CRS. Pathway number 2. Provincial Nominee Program or PNP. Best if you have a specific skill. Now, if your score is low or you have specific job skills, the Provincial Nominee Program is a great option. PNPs are designed to help provinces and territories address their specific labor market needs. Each province has unique criteria for selecting candidates. The Provincial Nominee Program has 2 ways to apply. Number 1, direct application to your province. Apply directly to the province for nomination. No Express Entry profile needed. After nomination, submit a permanent residency application to the federal government. Number 2, Express Entry Link PNP. Create an Express Entry profile and apply to a province's Express Entry link PNP stream. If nominated, you get 600 additional CRS points, almost guaranteeing an invitation to apply or ITA for permanent residency. Processing time can take 6 to 12 months depending on the province. Here's your bonus tips. Get a provincial nomination, add 600 points to your CRS score. Work in a PNP eligible province, increase chances of nomination. Job offer in a PNP eligible province can increase nomination chances. Points may vary by province. Improve your language skills. Boost your CRS by up to 136 points. Study in a province grants access to specific PNP streams. Research provincial needs align with in-demand skills for better chances. Pathway number 3, family sponsorship. If you have a family member in Canada, the family sponsorship programs allows them to bring you here as a permanent resident who can be sponsored. Spouse, common law partner, or dependent children. Parents and grandparents. For clarification, the Parents and Grandparents Program or PGP is paused for new sponsorship applications in 2025, but the government will continue processing applications submitted in 2024. The Super Visa is still available, allowing parents and grandparents to visit Canada for up to 5 years at a time, with extension possible. Rare cases are orphan, siblings, nieces, and nephews. You can be a sponsor. You must be 18 years old or older, be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, or register under the Indian Act. As a sponsor, you must promise to financially support your family member for a set of time. How does it work? The sponsor or Canadian citizen or PR submits an application. If approved, the sponsor family member can move to Canada permanently. Processing time varies, but for spousal sponsorship, it's around 12 months. Bonus tips. Spousal sponsorship doesn't require proof of income, which make it easier than other pathways. Pathway number 4, study and work. Best for international students. If you want an easy way to get PR while studying, this is for you. Why is this a great pathway? No work experience needed before applying. Canadian education helps in PR applications. You can work while studying and apply for PR later. How does it work? Apply to a designated learning institution or DLI, get a study permit. After graduation, apply for a post-graduation work permit or PGWP. Check if your program and institution qualify for the post-graduation work permit. Not all DLIs or programs make you eligible. You must also meet all PGWP criteria. Gain more experience and apply for the PR through Express Entry or PNP. My youngest sister is a great example of this program. This photo was taken on our first day speaking with the college representative. We're already preparing her documents, aiming for her to start in September. Hoping and praying everything goes as planned. Stay tuned for updates on her journey. The processing time for study permit is 2 to 4 months, and for the PR application is 6 to 12 months. Here is my bonus tip. Some provinces like Ontario, Manitoba, and Nova Scotia offer easier PR pathways for students. So you must check that out. So there you have it. The 4 fastest and easiest ways to move fast to Canada in 2025. I hope this helped you decide which pathway is right for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, Christine in Canada, and share this with someone who's planning to move to Canada. See you in the next video. Bye!